Hey, let's check out best car seat in 2022. Number 1. Britax Grow with Euclictite Plus Harness 2 Booster Car Seat. The Britax Grow with Euclictite Plus Harness 2 Booster Car Seat grows with your child from toddler to big kid. The safe wash cover is soft to the touch and safe to machine wash, with a knit construction that's naturally flame retardant. Install confidently every time. With Clictite, you know it's right in 3 easy steps. Open, buckle, close. 3 layers of site impact protection surround the head, neck and torso. SafeCell technology acts as a crumple zone to help absorb crash energy. Quickly adjust the 9-position harness and headrest, using just one hand for the proper fit as your child grows. Once they're ready to use the seat belt, the 5-point harness tucks away, transitioning to a belt positioning booster. Color-coded guides help you and your child route the seat belt through the right paths. With armrests, cup holders and harness comfort pads, even big kids enjoy the ride. Number 2. Graco SLIM FIT3L X3 in 1 car seat. The Graco SLIM FIT3L X3 in 1 car seat is our slimmest design that fits 3 car seats across, saving space in your back seat, without compromising on the safety you trust and the features you need. This narrow all-in-one car seat grows with your child from rear-facing harness, 5 to 40 pounds, to forward-facing harness, 22 to 65 pounds, to high back booster, 40 to 100 pounds. We tested our lightweight 3-across car seat in every configuration to help ensure your growing family can fit in your vehicle, even with children of different ages who ride in different modes, or when paired with select other Graco car seats. Integrated belt lock-off makes for easy vehicle seat belt installation in forward-facing mode, and allows you to position your seats to maximize space with 3 across. Graco's exclusive push-button InRite latch provides an easy, 1-second attachment, with an audible click to help ensure secure installation. We made thoughtful design choices to make the SLIM FIT3 easy to adjust with 3 car seats in the back seat. The no-rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness system allows you to adjust the height of the headrest and harness to 10 positions, with just one motion for just the right fit. Easily adjust the 4-position recline for a better installation and a comfortable ride. Number 3. Graco Atlas 65 2-in-1 Harness Booster Seat. The Graco Atlas even when you've transitioned to high back booster mode. It features dual cup holders and a machine washable seat pad, buckle cover, and harness covers. Number 4. Diono Radian 3R 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Radian 3R is the original 3-across all-in-one convertible car seat, now rear-facing even longer, up to 22.7 kilograms 50 pounds, and suitable from birth to 54 kilograms 120 pounds. Expect 10 years of safety from just 1 car seat. Features: rear-facing for longer, designed and engineered to keep your child rear-facing even longer, up to 22.7 kilograms 50 pounds approx. 4 years old, 10 years, 1 car seat with 4 ways to travel from birth to booster. The Radian 3R adapts as your child grows to offer a custom fit from birth up to 54 kilograms 120 pounds. The original Radian 3-across, built with our famous Radian Slim Fit convertible design for a 3-across option only with Diono Radian combinations, without compromising child or passenger comfort. Feel safe having your children secure in the backseat. Steel core, mechanically engineered, reinforced steel core, made from automotive-grade high-strength steel. Number 5. Safety First Grow and Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Get the car seat that's built to grow. From your first ride together coming home from the hospital to soccer day carpools, the Grow and Go Sprint All-in-One Car Seat will give your child a safe and more comfortable ride. Featuring the new single-hand adjustable headrest, you can adjust the headrest and harness as your little one gets bigger with just one hand and in one quick motion, without rethreading the harness or reinstalling the car seat. Harness holders keep the harness straps out of the way, making it easier to get your child in and out of the car seat. So far today. See you next day and subscribe.